Food has always been like a really big family thing, and I'm a very big family person, so I've always kind of known I wanted something to do with food. My long-term goal, eventually, I would love to own like a bakery cafe with like a bookshop because I love reading. I'm a total dork, but I just love the idea of having this like small little cafe where you can come in, you can get a piece of cake or pie or have lunch with some friends and get a coffee, study, just this really like homey kind of environment.
I think that I connect with the baking aspect more than the culinary side. I love making like cupcakes and cookies and all those things because I make them a lot at home. I really have been baking and cooking for as long as I can remember. I just love the way that it brings everyone together, and I love the joy that I get from baking. It makes me really happy.
At regular high schools, it's that mentality of, well, I'm here because I'm supposed to be here. We're all here because we have a love of baking or an interest of baking or something to do with pastry. So we all want to be here. After this, I'm going to go whatever the next class I can take at Edmonds is. And from there, I'm gonna get my associates in pastry, then go work at like a hotel or another bakery or something while I'm still going to school for a business degree. That way I can know both sides of owning a cafe or bakery or something like that. Currently, I'm taking our sablé dough, which is almost like a cookie cake texture a little bit. And after you bake it, we use acetate and you tape it around. And now I'm gonna fill it with lemon curd and then they'll chill. And when we take the acetate off, you'll have this nice little cookie and then the layer of lemon curd on top. If you are interested, even if it's just a little bit, pursue that. Continue pursuing it, and then you can come here and you can see what the next step of your hobby is, because maybe it's not just a hobby, it can be your career. And if it's something you love, it doesn't feel like a job. It's, I get to work today, and I love what I'm doing.
It's a great experience for people who want to go into the culinary or baking field, and it's a lot of fun.
It's not a normal classroom setting. And after just everything, that new setting is so much fun. It's amazing.